coming back to you, that is social studies. I think this you will write it in your second term. Okay, make it as your second term, and first lesson, that is transport and communication. As you all know, first term the government has said your syllabus is being reduced, and so I have left so many lessons and now started with the second term portion, that is transport and communication. So in that, first I am going to explain means of transport. Means of transport means what? Transport means what? Transport means you have to move the goods from one place to another, or people going from one place to the another place is called as transport. Okay, man is a social being. He cannot stay in one place. So he will be moving from one place to the another place. So goods also, what all the goods should be, that also should be transported from one place to another place. It should be carried from one place to another place. So different types of vehicles, you know, already you know vehicles. Different types of vehicles carry passengers as well as goods. What is passengers? Passengers mean humans. Okay, human beings. Human beings, it carries vehicles. Like what are the vehicles, you know? You know that maybe animal carts. Carts also will carry the passengers in villages. Now also you will go to village and see, there you see the carts. People are sitting in the carts and going. They are going from one place to the another place. Okay. So now in cities you have so many means of transportation. So many means of vehicles are there. So first of all, there is three means of transport. Three means of transport, that is landway, waterway, then airways. Okay, you have the landway, waterways and the airways. Okay, so these are all the three means of transport. Waterways, landways, on land. Land means road transport. Okay, road transport, that is land transport. Land transport is nothing but road transport. Okay, it uses roads and railways. Rails are also on the roads only. Water is different. Airways is different. Okay, so now it has uses. So roadways, it is the very most commonly used. Commonly used wherever it is on the street also road. On the street also will tell road. Is it? So it is a means of transport. So India has a vast network of road connecting different villages and cities to each other. Okay, so now you will see, you know, many roads are made up of, can you tell me, many roads are made up of tar. Tar, then one is coal or concrete. You are seeing your road in general. Many of the roads you are seeing in the tar. Tar is black in color, and concrete, that is cement. Cement roads are also there. So they can withstand all weather condition. All weather condition means whether it is rainy, very hot summer, winter, whatever it is, that roads will be very withstand. Means they will protect us. They will protect the vehicles. Okay, so that road will be permanent roads. Okay, so cars, bicycles, scooters, rickshaws, buses, cars and trucks also carrying goods and as well as the people from one place to the another place. So the national highway, it is connect the capital cities and other important cities and ports to one another. That is national. It will connect from the states, from this state to the other state. Then you have the state highways. It will be inside the state highways, joins the main towns. It will be inside the states itself. Okay. Next you have, what is that? You have the roads are the most flexible means of transport. Flexible means you can turn the road. Road will be curves also. It may be straight roads also. It may be curved also. It may be up also. It may be down also. See, roads are flexible. They can reach the remote areas also. They get made to the lonely places also. So bridges are built. Have you seen? Bridges are also built across rivers to build roads on the below the water. So on the top bridges are there. On the bridges vehicles are going. Have you seen? When you go along with your parents in your car, you will see. So you will see the vehicle going on the bridges. Okay, that is also road only. Okay, so defense equipment, all these things can be transported through the roadway. So roadway is very, very important. Next you come the railways. Have you seen railways? Where did the train will go? Trains are going on the tracks, is it? Railway tracks. It is also on the road only. Okay, the railways, it is another important means of land transport. Land transport. Okay, India has the largest rail network in Asia and the fourth largest in the world. It is the fourth largest in the world. The first train, it was from 1853, okay, from Mumbai to Thane. That was the first train. First train, that is in 1853 from Mumbai to Thane. Okay, Mumbai to Thane, the first train in India. Okay, it has a distance of 34 kilometers. Okay, but the Indian Railways carry crores of passengers. So many passengers are going through the rail. Okay, train, and also it carries bulk of goods. That is called goods train. Have you seen goods train? They are carrying your things. All your things will be carried out. All the big things will be carried. Maybe your vehicle also will go. That will be sent through the goods train, not the passenger train. Passenger train cannot carry the goods. Okay, only the goods train can carry all the goods such as grain, coal, cement, oil, chemical and fertilizers. That is heavy bulky goods. Heavy bulky goods. These all cannot be carried in the passenger train. Passenger train, only the passengers, people can sit and go. Whereas your things can be transported through the goods train. Okay. So now all important cities and towns are connected by railroads. Very important. Okay. Next, they provide cheap and faster. Trains, it is the cheapest means of transport. Okay, and they provide cheap and faster means of transport than road transport. When you compare to the road, the buses charges will be more than compared to the train charges. So that is why many of you will go in train. In train you have so many facilities also. But whereas the same facilities you are not finding it in the buses, is it? Buses, because you will have so many. You can use your washroom. You can stand and see. You can walk in the train. Is it? So all these facilities are there in the train. Whereas this is not available in the buses or the road transport. So trains were pulled by. Previously trains were pulled by only with the steams which use coal as fuel. Coal as fuel. Okay, but now it is used through diesels and electric engines. Nowadays it is used through diesels and electric engines, and it causes faster and causes less pollution. Previously it was more polluted, but nowadays it is causing less pollution. Train, it is the cheapest means of transport. It carries huge passengers and also goods. Train is there to carry bulky goods, heavy goods. So you can enjoy going in the train. You can see the views and go. Okay, so I told you the train's name. Is it? The Rajdhani, Shatabdi Express and Duronto trains. These are all the super fast trains. When you ask your parents, they will tell you, Daddy, can you tell me some of the fastest trains? They can tell you so many trains, fastest train which travel between the main metropolitan cities of India. Okay, now in big cities, like which are the big cities? Big cities like Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, local trains carry lakhs of people. Local trains, they carry lakhs of people, and what is that? Daily to and fro. Okay, daily it carries local people. Local people in Kolkata, Delhi, Bengaluru and Mumbai, there are local trains called the metro rail. Metro rail which run either above the ground or it is being underground, both below or the underground, that is the metro trains. Okay, so the metro is also being constructed in Chennai, Hyderabad and Jaipur. Many other cities are also planning to do the same. So I told you this train, railway, it is the cheapest means of transport and it is less pollution also because of the diesel and electric engine. They are using diesels and electric engines, and that is why it is less polluted. Okay children, many of you when you go to your granny's house, when you go to your native place, you will prefer to go by train. Okay, so buses, whenever it is stopping, there only you can go and use what all the things you can buy. But in train, you will enjoy and go. So many eatables are coming in the train. Or moreover, when you want to go for washroom, you can go in the train. So many people carrying the small children, they prefer to go in the train itself. So that is the means of transport. In the lesson itself I told you, means of transport. Okay. So now in the hilly areas, railway lines are narrow. Hilly areas. Okay. The railways are narrow. You see the train will go like this, like this, like this, like this. So it is so narrow. The trains are small and appear like toy train. When you stand on the hilly and see, the train will look like as though it is a toy train. You see the small children playing in the train. They give the key and the train will start going here and there. So it looks so tiny. So just like this, the hilly areas when you see the train, it looks like a toy train. We find that is such trains connecting Kalka to Shimla in Himachal Pradesh, then Siliguri to Darjeeling to West Bengal, and Mettupalayam to Udayamandalam in Ooty in Tamil Nadu. So these are all the hilly places. Okay, these are all the hilly places where the trains are going. You will look the train, you will stand and see the train will look like a toy train itself. Because hilly area, when you stand on the top or bottom and see, you will see the vision very small train is going. Next it is water transport. What do you mean by water transport? Yes, water transport means transportation by waterway is cheaper than by roads. Again here, water transport compared to road transport, this is the cheapest means of transport. Train is also cheapest compared to road, and here waterway is also cheaper compared to the train. Okay, now waterways do not have to be built or repaired as they are naturally available. Waters, when you are taking water transport, are you building the water? Are you building the sea? No, water is natural. Okay, water is natural. You no need of building any road there. No need of building any railway tracks there. You no need of constructing anything. That's because water is natural. So in that place, water is natural. So there, the goods are carried very easily. Goods are carried easily. Bulky and heavy goods. Bulky means huge and heavy goods can be transported across the oceans or rivers by ships, steamers, barges and liners. So through this we carry even the people also. Passengers also can go. Right. So in the previously when the trade was taking place, that only when you come to higher class you will know about the trade. Okay. So heavy goods can be transported across the ocean or rivers by seas. Now within a country means inside the state. How many states are there? Within the country, rivers are used to carry passengers and goods. Okay. The Ganga, the Yamuna and the Brahmaputra rivers are navigated widely with ferry services. To that services, goods are also carried out and passengers are also going through. The backwaters of the lagoon of Kerala are used. Okay. So next you will come to know about the air transport. Air transport means what? Aeroplane. When I talk about air transport, it is aeroplane. Okay, airways. This is the fastest means of transport. Air transport, it is the fastest means of transport and the most expensive mode of transport. One cannot go easily. If you have money, then you can go in the air transport because it is the fastest and the costlier. It is very expensive. Okay, aeroplane takes us across cities or countries in a matter of few hours. Within a matter of few hours, you will reach that place. So it is the fastest mode of transport. Okay, the world has come closer due to air transport. When you want to go to the other country, within hour you are reaching there. You are going there because it is the fastest means of transport. Okay, children. So airlines are of two types: domestic and international. Air India. Then the national carrier operates both the domestic traffic or passengers and goods within India and the international air traffic. Okay, international, national, within the country, or within international means it is going out of the countries also. Okay, so now food and perishable items like flowers are often transported by airways. In food-stricken areas and mountainous areas, helicopters are used. Helicopter, have you seen? Helicopters are used as planes cannot land. Wherever the planes cannot land, the helicopters may carry that and go. So airway, it is the fastest and the most costly mode of transport. Okay, so I told you there are three types of transportation: road transport, that is land transport, water transport and the air transport. I explained to you what are the three types and what are its uses. Why? Because transportation means it is the transporting of humans and the goods from one place to the another place. Okay, so that is the lesson. So after this next lesson I will be explaining you means of communication. Communication means how you will talk, how you get the messages. So that in further lesson I will be explaining to you. But now this lesson you should understand what are the different types of transport. Road transport, on roads what are the vehicles you see? Yes, you see bus, car, auto rickshaw, then scooter, bicycle. Is it? These are all the land vehicles. And water vehicles, which are the water vehicles? You see, on the water vehicles you see, that is ship, streamer, is it? Stream. So these are all the things. And aeroplane, there is the air transport, aeroplane, helicopter. Okay, so these planes, these are all the airways transport. So you should know which are all the means of transport. Okay, then roads are the most flexible means of transport. Okay, now India is the largest rail network in Asia. Okay, Asia. So you should understand various vehicles used to carry goods from one place to another. That is only called as transportation. And types of transportation means you should know which are the types of transportation. Whether it is land transportation or whether it is air transportation or whether it is air transportation. Understood, children? So now today I will send you in the WhatsApp I will send you the artworks and the lessons also. You can copy the lessons and send me the notes, children. Okay? Start writing, fold the page and make it as second term first lesson means of transportation. Understood? Thank you, children.